take single thread. I have white thread here because my felt is white, and on the silver white will be good as well. Of course you can use mono thread. Secure our thread in between two layers. Knot should be in between two layers, like that, and come out from the felt edge. Take sequins 4 millimeters. I will check, maybe I will use 4. Yes, I will use 4 millimeters as my felt is quite thick. And to cover the edge I will use 4 millimeter sequins. You can use 3 millimeters if your felt is thin, or you can use 4 if it's thick, so it's up to you. I will work with 4 millimeter sequins. As you can see, this is 4 millimeters and this one is 3 millimeter sequins, so this is the difference between them. We come out from the felt, take one sequence and enter into the felt again. Then enter to the sequence from the bottom. Pull. Take a sequence. Skip enough place for half of the sequence and pierce felt and enter to the same sequence from the bottom. Again, take one sequence, pierce felt and leather, and enter to the same sequence from the bottom. Again, one sequence, skip in this case 2 millimeters because my sequence is 4 millimeters and I have to skip 2, like a half of the sequence. Pierce felt and backing material and enter to the same sequence from the bottom. Again, one sequence, pierce felt and leather, and enter to the same sequence from the bottom and pull. Continue the same all the way around our star. I have almost finished my edge. I will add last sequence on my edge. I will enter as always to the same sequence from the bottom, and then I will enter to my first sequence and will go through my earring. And pull. edge with sequins is ready. Now we will secure thread and cut it. I will secure it by passing here and there a few times.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye!